Okay, grade 12's an Auger. So they tell me it's left-handed, 1.5 turns, and it's at 30 degrees. Okay. So first things first, I'm going to quickly divide it into equal parts. So 60 oopsie, 60, 30, and 30. Okay. What I'm then going to do is they tell me 30, 60, 30. So I'm going to come along here, 10 mils away, and now I'm going to do my measurements. So the first one is 30, 10, 20, 30, then it's 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 30, 10, 20, 30. At 60 degrees, lightly, 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 and lightly. At 30 degrees, I'm going to do the outside blocks. Okay. Please remember, this is a ISC paper, so this would have been drawn on CAD, but again, good practice drawing for prelims, for mid-year, depending on what your teacher has hinted at. Again, also good for grade 11s. Don't write it off. Okay. Now, they did tell us that it is 1.5 turns. So I know 1.5 turns is half, half, half. And they told me that this part was 60. So I can go with 60 as 20, 20, and 20. So I'm going to divide or do my first line at 20. Okay. And I'm going to bring all of these lines through. So these are all of the outer diameter lines. Just nicely through, outer diameter. Okay. Nicely through. Now, we know that 60 isn't a easy measurement to divide by, so what I'm going to do, using my 45-degree ruler, now please bear with me, I know dividing lines you would have been taught different methods. This is a method that works for me. So I've drawn a 45-degree line, 45-degree line. So remember, this was on my 40 line and this was on my 60 line. I'm going to take my ruler. Now, I need to divide something into 12 equal parts. So if I choose 60, that's 5, 10, 15, 20 all the way. So put it there, make a mark. I'm just going to have to lengthen my 45-degree line. So if I lengthen my 45-degree line, there you can see it. And I'm going to draw it there. Now if I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and of course 60 is there. I can now bring these all nicely at 45 degrees. This is just a bit of grade 10 EGD, if you remember dividing lines into equal parts. Okay, I want to now do that one. So remember, that is only half. So I'm not going to do it at 60. I'm going to do it at 30. And again, from here to here, and again 5, 10, 15. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And again at 45 degrees, 45, 45, 45, 45, and 45. Now what I'm going to do At 60 degrees, I'm going to bring these through. Please remember this is all done lightly, or if you are writing an IEB paper, you can use different colored lead, not coloring in pencil, colored lead. Okay, now it starts in the middle, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and all the way up to there. And up to there. Now I'm going to do my small circle. Okay. Normally you will notice that your small circle, some of your lines might be on top of some of your lines from your bigger circle. So just double check. So there, 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 there. Okay. And there you go. Nice, simple, and easy.